a regular day of discharge, hata kama ni every saa 12, every saa moja. So you must train your system to have a regular discharge every day. A healthy condition of the bowels demands not only a regular discharge each day at a regular time of day, but that each discharge be free, easy and copious. Ile ukienda kwa choo isiwe unafanya nini? Mtu anasikia ukipiga kelele hapo ndani. So number one, it should be free. It should be free, easy and copious. Then, but not watery. So also watery pieces, it is a sign that you have a dirty colon. So it should be free, copious and easy, but not watery. Anytime when you attend the toilet and you see you are discharging watery pieces, it means there is a problem in what? In the colon. It says and without pain, it should be easy, free, and even without what? Without pain. If you are feeling pain, it means sometimes even you don't take enough water. Sometimes there is a problem in the system or in the colon. It continues to say, straining or irritation, constipated and irregular action of the bowels give rise to most of the disease that may be named. To fight the bowels with physics only leaves them in a worse condition than before. In case of constipated and fevered condition of the bowels, freely use tepid injections of pure soft water and secure at least one good passage at regular time in the 24 hours. So it means that if we are to discharge the waste, it should be free, ease, and even without pain, no watery. So if you feel your waste or discharges of watery, it means that there is a problem in the colon and you need to clean the colon. And we will also learn and see some remedies that can help us to clean the colon after we have dealt with the blood. So I was still dealing with the blood, and we found that every food that we eat, it is digested and converted to the what? To the blood. And also after it has been converted to the blood passes through the liver, that it may be filtered every 14 minutes. Every 14 minutes blood passes through the what? Through the liver, so that it be filtered. Let me just read it from here. So liver is the project manager of the system. Liver is the project manager. It manages everything that enter our system. The liver is the body's project manager and a master chemist. Liver kwa Kiswahili ni ini. Maini. Aya. As such, it's essential to have it working at optimum efficiency in the quest of maintaining well-being or for conquering disease. This organ is extremely busy, as evidenced by its huge blood flow. Every 14 minutes, all your blood passes through your liver. It means every 14 minutes, the blood which has been the food which has been converted to the blood through digestion is passed through the liver, so that it might be filtered. Sometimes the food that we eat sometimes might have or contain bacteria, fungi, and what? Even pathogens. So it must pass through the liver, and also in the stomach before it is converted or before further digestion. In the stomach it have something called hydrochloric acid. Wangapi wamesikia hydrochloric acid? What is the function of hydrochloric acid in the stomach?
Fighting germs.
Yeah?
Fighting germs.
So HCl in the stomach, it helps to fight germs that sometimes might have escaped to the system. So we must understand that the function of the hydrochloric acid, number one, it is to fight what? To fight germs. Number two?
Provide an environment for the working of enzymes.
to provide an environment for working enzymes. Also, the third function, it helps to convert pepsinogen to what? To pepsins, ndio? It helps to convert pepsinogen to pepsin that helps in the digestion of what? In the proteins. So HCl also have a work in our system. I think we will also consider it as we will continue handling our lesson. So we were wonderfully and fearfully made. Can we read from the book of Psalms 139? 139:14. We were wonderfully and fearfully made. If you see our system, number one, it consists of, we have plumbing, we have electricity. Our bodies are wired, and also it is plumbed with various veins. So we can see that in our system, there are capillaries, there are arteries, there are veins, and what? There are many things. So our body is wired and even plumbed. See, we can see the blood flowing through the veins. Sendio. Psalms 139 verse 14, 13 and 14. Wenye amepata Psalms 139 verse, ama hiyo iko? Is someone read for me kindly?
139 verse
14, 13, 14.
Verse 13 and 14.
Maana wewe ndiye uliyeniumba, uliyeniumba mituma wangu, uliunga tumboni mwa mama yangu. 14. Nitakushukuru kwa kuwa nimeumbwa kwa jinsi ya ajabu ya kutisha. Matendo yake ni ajabu, na nafsi yangu yajua sana.
Just read from there. That I will praise thee, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Tumeumbwa kwa njia ya ajabu. Ukiangalia vile baadhi ya organs zinafanya kazi kwa mwili yetu, it is wonderful and it is very very wonderful. So allow me to bring something in the blood. Let us be back to CD again. CD page 91, paragraph 3. We reread it. CD 90. Mtu anisome 91 paragraph 3. Okay, inasema hivi: in order to have good health we must have good blood, for the blood is the current of life. It repairs ways and nourishes the body. So in order to have good health we must have good blood. And also allow me to read something also concerning the nutrients that we tackle. We found that in the food that we need to eat, number one, it must contain the what? The elements. And we mentioned some elements. We mentioned calcium, we have magnesium, ingine tena, we have zinc, phosphorus, can we potassium, zinc, gani tena? So the food that we should eat should contain all the elements. If we want to live in a good health, we must depend on what? In good diet. Allow me to read some elements here. Elements. So as we are learning the blood as the current of life, and we have seen the best food to supply it, also there is a concern here. We are being told that the human body has the ability to heal itself. At the point that we are going to take the minerals that are required, the nutrients, we are being told that the body has the ability to do what? To heal itself. We have some component of the blood in the body that help the system. Can we mention some components of the blood? We have white blood cells. The function of the white blood cells?
Fight germs.
Fight germs and
Causing
diseases.
The red cells.
The red cells. Red the red blood cells.
Plasma.
Plasma.
platelets.
And we have platelets. What is the function of the platelets?
Clothing. The wounded parts.
What is the function of the platelets?
Clothing the
The human body has the ability to heal itself. Why the body is having the ability to heal itself? Because it contains the blood component. That through white blood cells, the body can fight the what? The diseases. Through the red blood cells, the body can get oxygen and nutrients. Through the platelets, it can help in blood clotting. So it says it will heal itself if given the right conditions, especially the right nutrition. So in the right nutrition, this is composed of balanced diet. Inabeba balanced diet. So if we eat a balanced diet, we are giving our body the backup to heal itself from diseases. Lack of minerals is the #1 cause of DNA mutations. Organic food is no longer an option but a must. Organic gardening ensures that the soil is well fed and the microbes that break down the minerals is in the soil, making them available for the plant and nurtured by composting. So superfoods. There are foods that exemptionally properties to bring about healing condition. So let me give you some example. So in our system, what is needed is minerals, fats, carbohydrates, proteins, and what? And even lipids. So kama unaandika, you can list this example of these elements. You can unaweza andika mfano za hizi elements and their function. Wacha tuanze na yenye inaitwa zinc. Zinc in the blood. Zinc. What is the function of zinc in the system? Kazi ya zinc kwa mwili yetu ni the work of zinc. So this is the work of zinc in our system and why we need it. Zinc. Essential for reproduction and immunity. #1 importance of taking zinc into the system. Essential for reproduction and immunity. #2, it is needed for the body's defensive, in bracket immune. The function of zinc, it is needed for the body's defensive it is needed for body defensive, in bracket immune, system to properly work. Then #2, it plays a role in cell division. Cell division. Cell growth, for growth and development. In order for you to grow and develop, you need zinc. Wound healing. Unaona kuna wenye wanakuanga na vidoni na mtu anaweza kuwa na a wound for long time. So it means that when zinc is insufficient in the system, it will take time for the wound to heal. So wound healing. It helps in breaking down carbohydrates. Okay, it is also needed for sense of smell and taste. For you to have smell and taste. Kama unasikia una appetite, una taste, it means zinc kwa mwili yako ni kama imeanza kupungua. Smell and taste. Okay, it is also needed during pregnancy or in pregnancy, infancy, and childhood. The body needs zinc to grow and develop properly. So that is zinc. Alafu tunaweza angalia pia symptoms. Unaweza juaje kama umepungukiwa na zinc? This is the symptoms of lacking zinc. Number 1, getting sick often. Kama unagonjeka kila saa. Getting sick often. Number 2, loss of appetite. Number 3, lack of energy. Diarrhea. Often diarrhea. Hair loss. Hair loss. Hair loss. Kama nywele zinatoka, si ndio? Hair loss. Kama unaona mtu nywele zake zinatoka tu. Hair loss. Or thinning hair. Thinning hair ni gani? Hair loss or thinning hair. Kama nywele inabaki moja. Nail changes. So kwa makucha yako utakuwa unaona dot zingine white. Hapo utakuwa unaona dot zingine hapo kwa kucha. Either ina change color ama inakuwa na hiyo white dot. Hiyo itakusaidia ujue kwamba the zinc in your system ni kama imepungukiwa. Haya, baada ya kuangalia symptoms, si tunaweza kuangalia pia source. Tunaweza pata zinc wapi sasa? Tukisagundua kama hakuna zinc, kuna baadhi za vitu ambayo pia inaweza sumbuliwa na watu. So the source of zinc, we have carrots. We have pumpkin seed, malenge, roasted seed, or hata ile yenye imekauka, the seeds.
The fresh ones? Kama iko fresh,
kama iko fresh. Sijai kula kama iko fresh, but nimekula tu hiyo roasted powder na but you can try. Okay.
And are you eating the whole of it or the inner part?
The seed.
The inner part of the seed.
Or the whole seed.
The whole seed.
Aya. We have coconut. Hapo kwa coconut pia unaweza ongeza hivi. Coconuts contain healthy fats, protein and fiber, while being low in calories and carbohydrates. Coconut contain essential minerals. Number 1, iron, magnesium. Oh.
They contain
Coconut pia iko na magnesium, iko na iron, iko na copper, iko na manganese. Another source of zinc, we have also vegetables in here, the green vegetables. Another source of zinc, ni wapi tena tunaweza pata zinc? Yeah? In nuts. Yeah, in nuts. Nuts. And even these leafy vegetables, they contain most of the elements that the body need. And now again, even sim, chia seed, flax seed, they contain another essential mineral, tuko na manganese. Kama hauna manganese kwa system, you will lack the following.
Wait, that is number 2.
Number 2 ni manganese. Hapo kwa manganese andika use in the brain for memory recall. Manganese used in the brain for memory recall. Wangapi wanasahau vitu? Hata ukisoma umesahau tu saa hizo. It means what is lacking in the brain is manganese. Manganese will help you to recall. Essential for nerve function. Nerves ni mishipa ama? Ni? Ana nerves?
Never.
Oh, never. Inasaidia pia kwa never. The source of manganese.
Isn't the ni importance?
Yeah. Where are the sources of, unaweza pata hii manganese wapi? Soya beans, malenge, bado imebeba hiyo pia. Flax seeds. All types of nuts contain all these elements, ndio? Pia from the vegetables that we take. Allow me to go to iron.
Deficiency.
Yeah?
Deficiency symptoms.
Deficiency.
Symptoms.
Or symptoms.
How can you know that you don't have?
Si you kusahau sana. Symptoms si unasahau sana.
Neurological disorders. Because it affects the nervous system.
Let us just mention him first, then hapo side yake ndio tuta mention hizo, ili nijaribu kucapture na time kidogo. Alafu tuko na iron. Iron, what is the role of